again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're doing a chicken curry. Now this is a Dum version, D-U-M, and what that means is we're not going to be frying this, then this, then this. What we do is we just get the whole lot, all of our ingredients together, give it a mix, get some water in it as well, get the lid on, walk away, leave it for like 50 minutes, 60 minutes, and it's done. Really, really simple and beautiful. Let's go and do it. Okay, so first thing, our chicken. I've got two 1 kilogram chickens in there. So bone in, skin is on, and cut into different parts, just like that. Very simple. Okay, so that's the chicken sorted out. Now, vegetables. So I've got some potatoes there, tomatoes, sliced onions or chopped onions, some carrots, and then I've got some ginger and garlic chopped. Quite a lot of ginger and garlic. There's a teaspoon, so you can see there's probably 3 or 4 of those, and some fresh chili. Now let's take a look at some spices. Okay, and now to our spices. So, teaspoon there, a heaped one of chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and turmeric. I've got some salt there to taste. It's about, again, the same amount. And then here I've got some whole seeds, whole garam masala, cumin seeds, green cardamom, and some dried red chili. Now obviously that can change enormously because there's so many different types of things. You could be putting some bay leaf into this, some black cardamom, fennel seeds. I mean, the combination is endless. So that's it. So we've seen our chicken, we've seen the vegetables, we've seen the spices. We really are just going to chuck it all together. Okay, so this is the pot that I'm going to be cooking in. I've got a large pot and you're going to need a lid for it, obviously. Should we start off by dropping in our chicken, our tomatoes, that garlic, the ginger. Now you could be using garlic ginger paste if you wanted. A few carrots, some sliced onions, some fresh chili, some potatoes, then our whole seeds, cumin, cardamom, and some red dried chili, salt to taste, the equal parts now of the turmeric, the cumin, the coriander, and the chili powder. Now to that I'm going to add just a few, if you can get these, a few little fresh curry leaves. Now I'm just going to grab some oil, so I've just got some cooking oil here, like a sunflower oil. Just going to get a little bit of oil in there. Now I need to get a spoon in there and give that a good mix. If you wanted, you could be using your hands. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we've got all of that together now. Now, Dum chicken, what you can normally do, we're obviously getting the lid, is you can get some pastry, you roll some pastry, put it on the edge here, and close it down so it seals it. That's traditionally how you would do that. We're not going to do that today, we can just use a lid, or you could be using a pressure cooker, but with the pressure off so it just steams. Right, we're now going to add some water, just cold water. Just so it kind of just about covers your chicken and mixture. Now, on goes the lid, and we're going to slow cook this now. So I'm going to let that go for about 45-50 minutes, then I'll take a look. It's going to be delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's take a look. A moment of truth. Lots of steam here, let me get that out for you. And as you can see, we've got a really beautiful curry there. Now you want to check that for salt. Mine's going to be fine, I'm sure. Now I'm going to finish this off with What I've got here is fresh mint and fresh coriander or cilantro. You could be using just one of them if you want, but I like the two in there. And a nice healthy big old pinch of garam masala powder. Gonna give that a mix. And there you go. Really, really simple. An amazing chicken curry we've got there. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?